Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how one of my students made over $10,000 in 2023 with my Done For You affiliate marketing program. Now, she's a 62 years old lady and she has zero technical skills. Now, let's go to the screen and let's find out. Okay. So, okay, perfect. So I already opened her paychecks here and I'll quickly refresh this screen so you can see that this is real. And if you see her paychecks in 2023, she has made $10,000 so far. And it's still September. So if I just type here, what's the current date in Delhi? Okay. So it's 10th of September. Yep. So pretty much you see $10,000. Okay. Now, if you are struggling to make money, I'll refresh this screen again. Okay. I'll refresh this. I can go to other pages and this is all real, guys. So if you've been following me for quite some time, you can understand this is real. I have over 600 videos on my YouTube channel that talk about make money online and other aspects, and have tons and tons of testimonials. I have been in this business for over 10 years now. And if you are struggling in digital marketing and affiliate marketing or in CPA marketing, and if you purchased all those courses and nothing has worked for you, so it's time for you to get the right mentor. You can reach out to me by clicking the link below in the description video and send me a message that you want to get into my one-on-one coaching program, or if you want to basically get into my Done For You marketing program. So send me a message that and ask for info. Please understand, I usually respond to direct messages. So if you want to get in touch with me, send me a direct message. Even if I don't accept your friend request, because I get too many friend requests, it's hard for me to accept everyone as a friend. So please send me a direct message. I always check my messages. I always check my message requests and everything. So reach out to me if you truly want to learn the right techniques, or if you truly want to make passive income. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.